Hello guys. Welcome to my minis, and you know Clarabelle. This is James, and this is, I didn't remember that right. This is S, and this is Belly. He's the grass. And this is Victor, and this is Spencer, and this is Dragon Spencer, and this is Emily, and this is Snake. This is a snake, Henry, and this is Thomas, and this is Thomas, and this is Toby, and this is Toby, and this is Dirty Driver, and this is Gordon, I think, and this is Bill, and this is Scruff, and this is Ryan, and this is something else, I don't know, and this is Spencer. And this is Salty, and this is Dirty Edward, and what's this guy? I don't know. Emily, and Spencer, and Thomas, and Toby, and Clarabelle, and Alien something, and Millie, I think, and Thomas, and Scruff, and Percy, and Gordon, and James, and Rosie, and Dirty Edward, and like Bus, and James, and Rosie, and Mia, and Gordon, and Percy, and Spencer, and Victor, and Millie, and Dirty, and something, and Henry, and Billy, and something else, and Clarabelle, and over here something, and Pinchy, and his Pinchy, and Thomas, and Percy, and chocolate covered Percy, and toys, and more that I missed. I didn't miss these ones. Did I miss them from there? I don't know. In this? No. I guess I did it. And guys, if you want this collection, you know what to do in the video. and do like a video, and I have a Lego channel, but you better watch it or else I will give you only a minute. Yeah, you did it. You did? Okay. And you guys are special to me. And you guys are good enough for my Lego channel and my mini channel. And you can watch my Lego channel. All you gotta do, you need to spell it. You just spell it Isaiah from Lego channel. And I only have one, right? So I have a mini channel, and you know what to do? I do something for else, and boys and girls, I will show you. This is Henry. And you know why I got Henry? Because we have a snake Henry, and these ones are the only skins I have on the Henrys. So, if you want these guys, they're so good. I haven't, is there any more Rosies? No, there's only two. I mean, James and Rosie looks like the same color. Look. Looks like the same color. He looks like the same color, actually, because they're red. anacondas. And they have like a little space. And you need to get them. Hello guys, I will see you in my next video. And you better subscribe my Lego channel. And if you subscribe my Lego channel, I will be fine. And also you need to subscribe and goodbye.